much for calling.
I look so ugly. So hi guys. Asa na tayo sa Cape Breton?
We're on Cape Breton right now, and it's been like an hour for us waiting. Show them the traffic. The EDSA here and the EDSA.
Pinatay mo yung... parang alam nila, Tita Irene.
Sabihin mo sa universe.
Nag-message siya sa kuha dyan.
Ano?
It'll be like less than 30 minutes na lang. Siberian ka, diba?
Dito na tayo?
I just don't know where the event would be. Saan yan naksarili? Hindi siya...
Explain.
Ayoko. Nasa track and field.
Ano?
Cape Breton. Cape Breton University.
Pretty good for us. That's a cool.
Drak nabulog na.
So guys, ano na among outfit. Book na ako dyan. And 3 pa daw ang start ng running ni Mikoy. At 2:30 pa. So nagtingin-tingin lang kami sa mga sa mga nag-run. Oh my gosh. And then tomorrow, mas marami pa siyang event si Mikoy, pero ngayon just isa lang ang kanyang event. And then yun lang, pwede na siya maglaag. Oh my god. Wait. Dapat yung breathing mo ay
Do you breathe in the nose o sa mga...
sa nose. Ayun na. Sila na eh? Ayun na,
Let's go, Calder!
Yeah.
Let's go, Calder! Let's go, Calder! Let's go, Calder!
Stage 1. Oh my god. Go, Sean! Nag-statue pa si Jamil.
Yo, Mary, full of grace.
So yan guys. Alam mo yung burger.
Oh, look at the dome.
Wow! May dome.
Ano na si Jamil?
Hindi, oy. Ano meron dito?
Tent lang.
Ay? Doon tayo sa loob, oh. May pera ka. Gutom na ako.
Wala
Shit.
pa.
Oh, may hotdog. Burger.
Di mamaya ka. Mag-deliver tayo na food.
Pasok tayo. Ikaw mag-CR? CR na tayo habang nandito pa tayo. I-explain mo, kuya. Explain mo.
Ang alin?
Ang nangyayari ngayon.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Cape Breton University. May laban po ng horse race yung anak ko.
Anak mo. Andun na doon siya. Where?
Excuse me, please. Second call for intermediate girls discus to please go to the field area. And second call, intermediate girls discus. Please go to the area on the field.
It's mostly distance runners. I don't think guys are. We're mostly young. And I was like, you know what? We're just gonna go. I'm probably gonna explore a bit.
Ginalaw eh, video ko na kanya.
Stage 1.
Can I have your attention for the podium at center field?
Ayun na tayo. Oo.
Sino na una?
Wala pa yan, mabilis to yata. Kasi ano, hindi ko yung 1500 yata.
Anong just pinakain?
Let's go, Jamil!
Mamaya paglapit niya. Hanapin mo siya. Ayun.
Let's go, Jamil! Let's go, Jam!
Let's go, Graham!
Go, Jam!
Let's go, Jamil! Got this, Jamil!
Once again, the bronze medal winner for the boys long jump to the intermediate is Aaron Metzger of Fairview Junior High.
Tatlo pa, di ba? Tatlo pa na ikot.
I don't start. You know, for a lot of
Ayun no. Ano na siya?
Excuse me, please. Junior boys 100 meter final. Please report to the marshalling station. Junior boys 100 meter final to the marshalling station. And if it isn't, presentations please skip ahead to the biggest gathering crowd.
Pag second nito, napaisa.
And if we could have Caleb Conlon, Gregorex, and Fletcher.
Let's go, Graham!
Let's go, Jamil!
Let's go, Jam!
And the boys gathering cross in the division is Caleb Conlon from Portugal.
Go! Last na to na lap.
Silver medalist, also from Copenhagen, is Max Gregorex.
Awarding pa din.
It doesn't matter lang. Mamaya.
Ayun siya, oh.
Ayun na, Jam?
Hindi, ayun yung nauna.
Pero
Ang laki ng gap, oh.
mapapagod dyan na habulin natin ang mamaya. Kasi pag last lap, dun sila babuelo.
Pero team niya. Team yan?
Okay lang yan.
Team yan, de? Or ano?
Para mas magaan yung ano niya.
Team ba to, de?
Nice job! Let's go, Graham! Let's go, Graham! Let's go, Jam! Get up there, Jamil! Let's go!
Go, Jamil! Babelo yan.
He's gonna go left.
Kailan?
Dapat ko ano?
Last na to na lap.
Watch it. Hindi, mas malapit yung pinaka-inner. Inner lang.
Junior boys 100 meter final to the American.
Final na.
Ayan, lumalabas na siya.
Junior
Ayun na.
boys 100 meter
Lumalabas
final
yung
to the
kamayo.
American.
Chow mo na.
Ayun na, oh. Ayun na.
Asan siya?
Pero mga bagal siya.
Baka di.
Pupuelo yan. Pupuelo yan.
Kada ko sa gap.
Isa pangalap.
Let's go, Grab!
Go, Graham!
Come on, Grab!
Push!
Come on, Grab! Come on, Grab, push!
Let's go, Graham!
Come on, Riley!
Got the shot!
Go! Kaya explain mo, explain.
So we're at Mira Cottage, and lucky number. Start again. Wait, asan tayo? Where are we at?
Asan tayo, kuya?
Sa, ano ba to? Sydney. Come on. Lakad sa back crib. Yeah.
Alam, unang electric fan?
Parang wala din ang
Cute ang bathroom.
Yeah.
A little cottage, I'm gonna huff and puff and blow your house down. May pagkain. May minute rice. He knows we're Filipino. Makameras dito. Guys, oh my chimney.
Oh, my TV.
Thank you so much. Ang liit. Let's go out. I feel so claustrophobic.
Love that, so dito tayo.
They both
Mga fox ang harap niya.
What the fox? No, I'm coming. Mommy, I'll get the seat.
Very crunchy, huh?
Let's go out. Let's go check the
Oh,
vicinity
oh,
of
that's so
outside.
awesome, ano. This is that is, ano, jam.
So we have two grills right over here. And
Uy, lalak.
cute. This one too.
Lamig.
Oh, magsugbat ta.
Tingnan dito kapit.
Girl, it's the same house. Let's go here. It feels, guys, it feels very Baguio. It feels very, basta Baguio. Look at these pine trees. And they have like bunga-bungas. Smells like pine, and you can just roam around the perimeter here because we're allowed to, and nagbayad kami. I don't know if they have a trail here, guys, but
Para talagang Baguio.
yeah. And then the properties go all the way in the back. I'm not sure if it goes all the way in the front too. But we rented the private house, church house. So, oh, as you can see, there is a trail here. I'm not sure if it's safe to do so, but maybe we can go later. I really want to try to make a bonfire, guys, because like, I don't know, I feel like the five of us, family together in a bonfire, storytelling, like that's like the ultimate family bonding. Comment down below if you agree. I don't know what this is, but to go to it's like ritual.
Sa'yo.
Mommy! So guys, we're just in our humble car.
Jam, wala ba yung washing machine dyan? Yung Jam, madami ang ano.
Maraming plan.
Ginawa niyo akong porter, ha?
So guys, this is my mom. As you can see, she's got her hair done. Foxy Megan Fox.
Malawak ba ang kain?
Wala man tayo kahoy.
Di, naman siguro ikaw hindi, no?
Oo, pwede kayo.
Thank you so much.
Beer. Watch it. I heard it's like gross.
Wag na natin wearing mouth ako.
Dude.
Pero gusto mo?
Shit. Have you seen it? Never ko pa I heard na may mga ano daw. Weird stuff.
Sige na lang.
Sige. Disregard.
Oh, mag-hoodie kayo ganun.
I'm having oatmeal for dinner because I didn't just get
Sa bahay ni Kuya.
Bahay ni Kuya, nag-i-event na po.
Eviction night na po.
Eviction night.
Sa
I
boyfriend.
think siya.
Pakita mo yung bowl mo.
This is my oatmeal bowl because I've been lacking with my diet lately and I've been eating like rice and like all the nasties and stuff. So hopefully tomorrow I perform better at track and yeah, we're just gonna have a fun time and the bonfire and then go to bed.
Let's go.
Go.
Wait lang, ano pang pwede natin dalhin?
I don't know. We can just maybe stick over. Water. I think we're ready.
Yan na.
Luto ba?
Okay na to, no? Ano pa yun?
Tinatanggal ko lang. So guys, giinit na mo ang i-barbecue kagabi. And ano, i-slice ang black pepper. So guys, this day we're going to Cape Breton University again to watch Jamil's track and field, running tracks. And it's 8:30. Hi guys, namin sa Harbor, Sydney Harbor. And namin ato mi diri guys para sa malaking violin. Look, naga-play siya din. Let's go. Wait, mag-IG story mo na ako. Sayaw ko eh.
Ano? Pagay naman dyan. Kung sa'yo mo reaction to, nakita niyo yung crush niyo ako na nagwan.
Ay, ano ko? Kaya ko yan ah. Actually, it's all comfortable. Guys, ang liit.
Hi guys. So what I'm saying is like nagbalik na kami. Ay, dito pa rin kami and then may lang malaking chair. Wait. Yan. And malamig pa rin ang hangin. Shorts na.
Live ba yan?
Hindi. Vlog. Ay.
Gabi itong rice lately, Min.
Ito sa'yo, honking beef.
Ano na?
Nagalop ko, natulog.
Oo, dati.
Karon, ganina.
Ano ba yun?
Asa, Min? Kani?
Yan.
Mo muna dati, di ba?
So guys,
smile?
Dili kay, syempre.
Bakit ganyan? Smile mo.
Ba't kumain na kayo?
Last na.
Oh my God, alam mo, naiirita na po ganyan.
Hiyak!
1.5 yan.
Edit.
Magpunta kami mamaya. Sa Perya. Yeah.
Thank you.
Atid lang natin si Mikoy doon. Dito magtingin.
Huwag tayo. Punta naman natin.
Kaso mag-Perya, hindi na. Hi guys! Day 2!
Naka-close up.
Nag-blanket na po kami. Go, Mikoy!
This is what I want to see.
Dili ka katuong.
Sige, explain mo sa video.
Galit lang siya ano, kanang di ba kay? Di lang siya. I wanna do track.
Yeah. Grade 10?
Grade 10, yeah. Nag-train doon siya. Gipataw niya yung body.
Yeah, tsaka like, tumangkad sa lalo.
Lahing tatay siguro na.
Feeling lang.
Tinanong ko nga si Daddy.
Gago dyan kami kaya na pa.
He was just around. Yung may pahid na ako, sabi ko, hindi, kapatid ko ba talaga si Jam? Sabi niya, hindi,
Ay,
kuya mo.
nag-ano na ulag. Daw dyan di ay si Jamin. Kalawo, uway.
Loy, bata, ay.
He got a scholarship but he refused to go to that school.
Kasi hindi university.
Hindi yun yung gusto niya na university.
Oh.
Pero grateful siya. Huwag daw mo nang sabihin.
First age na eh.
Ha? Last na siya, di ba?
He can't, he can't. Ah! Let's go! North Nova! Shut up.
Asan ang North Nova dyan?
Blue. Pangalawa siya.
Oo.
Siya yung ano, parang ano, ocean.
Asan ang North Nova dyan?
Blue. Naka-blue, nakasulat girlfriend.
Saan yung nag na?
Yan siguro naka-second.
Second? Oh, yung first.
Dili ka kang third.
Na.
Net na, paasa.
Saan yung North Nova? Saan yung North Nova?
Cheer! I-cheer mo!
Go North Nova!
Yan? Yan?
Ayun oh, wala pang last.
Sige, go! Cheer! North Nova, anak! Jamil! You got this!
Ah! Go, go, go,
Go, go, go! Run! Run, run! Oh my God.
Wala!
Tingnan mo si Jam, tingnan mo si Jam. Ah, Jamil! Jamil!
Wala!
No, hindi. Wala pa yung tulog ha? Wala pa yung tulog ha? Wala pa yung tulog.
Go, Jam! Gila! Habol! Habol!
Habol!
Push!
Go, Jamil!
Let's go, Yuri!
Go! Push!
Push it!
Go, push! Push!
You got this, Jam! Let's go!
Go! Go!
Go, Jamil!
Go, go! Go!
At least hindi siya last. At least hindi siya last. At least hindi. Galing ni Jam. Ang galing ni Jam. Humabal siya, humabal.
Heats, like there's two. That was a bad heat. The other heat, like when you guys were gone, a different race, the same race, but like a different heat. They tried breaking the provincial record,
Really?
and they're 0.5 second off.
Oh!
But he was like fat. He was like fake like Olympics. They were like
Anong school?
Horton High. Ryan was first leg.
What? Well, that's Ryan. What was your place?
We got last.
Yeah.
overall last.
Alam mo,
Ang galing mo dun sa second leg.
Are they really good this year? Like the other schools?
They're always good. Our school doesn't not that good.
katawanan kay
Oh,
si
yours-
Mikay
yours
kanina
goes-
kay
yours
akala
goes
niya second.
James, sila yun yung kawan.
Ikaw.
Oh, I thought you guys were second.
So, yeah, go!